Hello again. So, mark this down as always starting way more projects than you can possibly finish. Actually, this one will go fairly quickly. So this is a 1/25th scale 2019 die-cast Mustang GT. And as you can see, I've already taken it apart. I'm going to be painting it Highland green so that I have a 2019 Bullitt Mustang. And just want to show you real quick. It is really very simple. If you've ever modified a Hot Wheels, same concept, just a little bit bigger. So on the bottom here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That comes off. The interior tub is not glued in any way. There's 2 screws, 1 for each of the doors. That's what holds all that together. The interior of the interior panels for the doors, as you can see, they go on these pins here. They are not anything but glued on. The mirrors are not glued in, they're held in place by, once you put that in, once you sand the grill and the tail lights, those are plastic. You just kind of file off the pins on the inside and they pop right out. The glass I was able to pry off. It did crack here, but you won't see that because that goes on the headliner. It did not crack the windshield, did not crack on the back. So I wanted to go this route rather than trying to mask everything, because it's just too much to mask and it wouldn't look right anyway going over this blue paint. So taking it apart, we'll use the aircraft remover to strip all this blue paint off the metal and prime it with some white, and then it'll look correct. The only disappointing things, I guess if you can call them disappointments, the headlights, so everything you see here is die cast in one mold. So the headlights are painted details. The silver trim there is painted details. The lower grille, the black there, that's painted. And the 5.0 stickers, those will come off when I do the drill. The tail lights, the tail reflectors, those are also painted details. The only thing that I can't do anything about, I suppose I could Dremel it off, but I'm just not sure it's worth that much work, is this rear spoiler. It is molded with the body, so I think I'm just going to have to live with that one little incorrect detail, but I think I can live with that. Anyway, so that's what's up next on the workbench. And again, this is really just stripping this, painting this, and then putting it back together. So, you know, not a lot of parts. What do we got here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. So, and again, everything just screws right back together. So I will update you when I've got, probably when I've got the metal parts stripped, so you can see what that looks like, and then we will go from there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and happy modeling.